If you're facing a problem where your Epic Games friend list is completely empty, but you do have friends, then this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being your application glitching. So simply press Windows plus R on keyboard and then simply write %local app data % like here and click on OK. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and search for the Epic Games and Epic Games launcher folders and simply delete all the content that are inside of it. Once you've done that, the cache is going to be cleared. Simply go ahead and close the application itself and relaunch it, which should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't fix your problem, it could also be because of your internet connection. Right click on your network and click on Network and Internet Settings. Go to Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're connected with, and go to DNS Server Assignment. Click on Edit. Turn it from automatic into manual and then turn on IPv4. Put the preferred DNS as 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.8 on alternate DNS, which should go ahead and fix your problem. If none of it fixes it, simply try restarting your PC. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.